Hello everyone, welcome to my channel World of AWS. I hope you all are doing good. So, myself Pipin Kumar, and we are continuing with Linux tutorial. Okay, that you should know as a DevOps engineer or some other position if you are working. Okay, so suppose if your application is running on any EC2 instance and some something happened to your application, then what should you do in that case? Okay, then you have to log in to your EC2 instance. Then you have to check memory, CPU, and the process that are running, and you have to check CPU and activity, memory, and other stuff. Okay, so I have created this video especially for that purpose only. Okay, so we are going to see in the real time. So first command we have free hyphen h to check memory and swap usage. So let me show you free hyphen h. Let's see the output. So we can see memory usage here, and we can see swap usage here, right? So we can see how much memory is available and how much memory is getting used. Okay, so my EC2 instance is t2.micro. So 965 MB storage is available, this total storage, and used to for 224 MB and free 415 MB. Okay, and you can see swap memory is not getting used because I have not installed any application on this server. Okay, so let's go back to the document here, and to check the CPU usage we need to run top command. So let's run this. So we can see what are the process are running. Okay, and how much CPU usage that process are taking here, right? You can see CPU usage, memory usage, all the processes that are running and which are taking the memory and CPU, how much memory and CPU that process are taking. Okay, so let's cancel this. Okay, and go to the next command. So we have another command to test running processes, ps aux. Okay, so let's go back to the terminal, ps aux. Okay, so let's see what are the process are running. We can see here. Okay, so we have process id as well here. If we want to kill any process, okay, then we have to use command kill and the process id. Like suppose if I want to kill this process 1208, sorry, so no such process it's saying, because this is just a command, it's not a application is running some process on it. So if you have process running exactly, then you can cancel it using kill and the process id. Okay, let's go back to the document here. So we have another command stop to get a detailed view of system activity including CPU, memory, and other statics. Okay, let's run it top. So we can see like all the metrics here. You can see, right? Process id we have CPU, memory, time, command, whatever command we have run. Okay, so we can see the top process get is running on our server. Just control C to cancel this. Okay, let's go back to the document here, And we have another command to view CPU information, ls ls cpu. Okay, so let's ls cpu. So we can see all the information about CPU here. Oh, so what are the CPU available, what are the model, what are the CPU family available, what are the flags, so what are the socket, what are the core, what are the thread per core available on our server. Okay, so we can check all the CPU related info using ls cpu command, right? Now let's go to the, now we have another command, cat proc mem info. Okay, so let's run this command and let's see what output to view memory information. So this, let's run this command and see the output. So here we can see all the memory related information, what are the memory available, memory free, memory available, buffers, cache, and all the detail that is related to memory. Okay, and to view information about the Linux kernel and system, we have to use uname hyphen a command. Okay, uname hyphen a. Let's see. So we can see our Linux kernel detail here and the IP address as well, and the date, everything we can see, right? So that's it. We can also use sudo stop. Okay, remember that commands might require administrative privilege, so you might need to prepare them with sudo. Okay, so if we have to log in as a super user, then we have to do sudo sco, sudo switch user, sorry, sudo sco. So we have logged in as a root user, as you can see hash here. Okay, and what are the command they have mentioned, sorry, sudo and sudo stop. Okay, so that's it for this video. I hope you found this video informative, okay, and helpful. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. I have created another playlist for AWS from scratch. If you want to learn and if you are interested to learn AWS from scratch, then you can check my playlist. Thanks for watching. Keep supporting. See you in the next video. Thanks.